Hi guys, recently I made a trip from Delhi to Guwahati as I was coming back from Delhi to Guwahati such a long time, like 1 year, and I was really happy to be back to my home. And you can see this is Terminal 3 of Indira Gandhi International Airport, and it looks so stunning. This is the outside view of the terminal, and you can see the interior part is so amazing. Delhi airport is so beautiful, and I'm here inside the flight now, sitting. Due to the sunlight, video is not good. Sorry about the Air India flight. It was quite good. I heard a lot about the Air India improved a lot. It looks good in comparison to other flight. You can see the interior. The people are getting busy in onboarding to the flight, and here you can see the outside view. And we had the free meal as well in this flight. So I enjoyed the food served here, and we are ready to take off right now. You can see another Air India flight here, which is ready to fly. So let's go to Guwahati. And enjoying the Himalayas and stunning view. We are just landing at Guwahati, and this is the Guwahati airport. And it took 2 hour and 30 minutes, and it was less than the expected time of arrival. It was earlier. It was 2 hour and